Hi, so today I will show you how to render animal fat. So you might have heard me recommending animal fats several times on my YouTube channel for cooking. I have a detailed article about fats, about vegetable fats versus animal fats on my blog. I will put the link of my article in the description box below this video, so please go read it. If you have any questions about fats, I detail everything in that article. I won't give too many details here in this video. So as I said, I recommend animal fats especially for cooking because you must cook with saturated fats. You can use saturated vegetable fats like coconut oil, for example, but animal fats are superior because of the vitamins they have. Fat-soluble vitamins are A, E, D, and K. Real vitamin A, retinol, is only found in animal fats. You won't find it in vegetables. Vegetables only have the provitamin A, that is beta-carotene, that the body needs to convert into retinol. So it's not as bioavailable as retinol in animal fats. So that's one fat-soluble vitamin that you will find only in animal fats, not in vegetable fats. Then there is vitamin D3, that is another one that is found almost exclusively in animal products. For more details about vitamin D, I put the link of my vitamin D video on the top right corner of the screen. Vitamin E is another fat-soluble vitamin, but it is found very easily in plant foods. So you will find lots of vitamin E in regular vegetable oils if they are cold pressed. So vitamin E is not an issue with vegetable oils. The last one is vitamin K2. Some forms of vitamin K2 are made by bacteria, but vitamin K2 and K4 is only found in animal fats. Also, saturated animal fats are a natural type of fat for our body. Since the dawn of times, humans have always consumed mostly saturated and monounsaturated fats and very minimal quantities of polyunsaturated fats. The amount of polyunsaturated fats that we consume nowadays is something completely modern, and it is very unnatural. Canola oil, sunflower oil, corn oil are all polyunsaturated fats that are very detrimental for our health. So please go read my article if you want more details about that. So now, regarding animal fats, I often recommend people to use duck fat or goose fat because they are easy to digest for most people because they have a good ratio of saturated and monounsaturated fats. But you can use any animal fats like pork, beef or sheep. So here I have pig's fat. You need fat from a healthy animal, organic as much as possible because fat tissues store toxins. So we will cut very small pieces of the fat, as small as possible, so it will melt better and faster, because we will melt it at the lowest temperature possible to prevent the oxidation of the fat. So now here you see I've put to minimum heat. It has to melt at the minimum heat so it won't oxidize the fat, and you need to stir regularly so that it won't burn at the bottom of the pan. And so we will let it melt here for a few hours. At this temperature it will take several hours. So now it has melted for about 2 hours. So now I will filter it. As you can see, there are some chunks of fat that didn't melt. So we will filter that, and we will keep the melted fat on one side and the unmelted fat on the other side. So here you see, so the liquid one, we will put it in the fridge and it will become solid, and you can keep it in the fridge for many months, no problem. And the unmelted part, you can just eat them. They are very crunchy, very nice. And so the melted part, you can use it to cook, you can use it to make French fries. It will be much healthier than to cook your fries with vegetable oils. Here is a piece of the unmelted fat. So as I said, you can just eat it as a snack like this. It's very delicious. And yeah, and that's it for today. If you have any question, please comment under this video. I will answer your comments. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.